Hello dear Gemini, a very good evening to you guys. I hope you guys are doing really well in your life. Gemini, this is the journal of reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising, and this is a reading from 1st of July till 10th of July. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed anytime, and keep in mind as these are journal, these might or might not, you know, connect with you, resonate with you, okay? And the roles can be reversed anytime, Gemini, okay? Let's start with your reading without any further ado. Whenever I think I should do it quickly, the universe, keep on poking their nose on in my life. Let's see. Let's start. Gemini, your partner's current energy right now is. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is. Gemini, your partner's current energy right now is Six of Cups. I feel like your partner is missing you very much. They are living in the past rather than the present or the future. This person is feeling nostalgic. They are missing the shit out of them, and they are missing the hell out of you. Hell out of them, okay? Missing you, the hell out of you. I don't know what to say, but this person is very nostalgic about you, and this person is missing you because this person is feeling like, yes, you guys had sweet memories together. You guys had lots of, perfect moments and sweet memories in the past. Let's clarify. Basically, this person is living in the past, or there's somebody from the past that is attaching to them again. This is the situation, Gemini. Let's clarify further. But this person right now is dealing with their past energy rather than their present or future energy. Four of Swords, the Judgment, the Moon. Okay, Cancerian, you could be dealing with a Cancer. So I feel like this person right now is trying to hold back. They want to forgive. They want to be forgiven by you. They want to forgive you, and they want to connect with you again. But they're very scared to reach you. They're very afraid to reach you. They're feeling like, what if this connection is not going to be the same again as it was in the past? And that's why this person is really very fearful about you, about this connection. There's a blockage in their intuition, and their intuition is telling them again and again, don't go to this person back. Don't This is not going to work out. This is freaking very scary. This is very burdensome. There's something that is making them pull back. This person wants to talk to you. This person is missing you very much, but there's something that is stopping them to reach you. They're very scared to reach you. Okay, let's see what's your current energy, Gemini. Your current energy right now is, give me a second. Yeah, your current energy right now is the High Priestess. Okay, I feel like, Gemini, right now you're trying to tap into your intuition. Right now you're trying to be on your spiritual side. You are hiding something. You are acting really secretive. You are not you're not revealing any kind of feelings or any kind of emotions to anybody right now. You are acting very secretive, very cold or detached, might be in other person's point of view, I'm telling you. But from inside, I feel like right now you are feeling like, I should just tap into my intuition. I should just work on myself right now. Right now I am being silent because I need some space. You need space. You need some kind of space, and you need some kind of me time. That's why you are acting silent, cold, low. Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, King of Swords. Okay, so I feel like these are two aces. I feel like you're silent because might be you're dealing with a new partner or new person in your life. This is Ace of Swords. You are starting your life. You are very passionate about something or someone in your life right now, and you're starting your life all over again. You are feeling successful. You are feeling victorious, and you're concealing something. You're hiding something. You're concealing you're concealing your feelings from this particular person from the past, whomsoever you were connected with, and that's why you're acting rude and cold and off towards them. Might be I feel like for some of you, I feel like you are connected with a new person right now, and that's why you're hiding your feelings. That's why you're hiding and acting secretive and acting like this. And this person is feeling that intuitively. This person is feeling like, yeah, there's something wrong. There's something that is missing in this connection, Gemini. This person can feel the energy, and because of the two aces, I can feel like there's somebody new in the equation. Okay, let's see what the person feels for you, what the what this person feels for you right now. Okay, Seven of Wands. So I feel like this person is feeling like they should just stand their ground, and they should not compromise, and they should not they should not bow down, in front of you, and they should, just take their stand. I feel like this person is feeling like they should be defensive, you know they should be defensive, and they should not talk to you like in a very beautiful manner. This is something that is very, very defensive, that they're feeling right now. Okay, although this person is missing you very much, but this person is acting very cold and detached, and they are not ready to compromise in any kind of situation with you. Temperance and strength, and could be dealing with the Leo and the Six of Swords. I feel like this person right now could be dealing with an Aquarius. I feel like this person right now is trying to balance their emotions. I'm really sorry, the dog is barking in the street. Okay, I hope I'm audible to you more than the dog. Okay, so I feel like this person right now is trying to balance their emotions. This person right now is trying to hold back, and act on their courage, act on their what should I say? Act on their energy, and they're just trying to move towards a calmer phase of their life, move towards a peaceful resolution in their life. That is why right now this person basically wants peace in their life. That is why right now they are behaving like this, they are acting like this. That is why they are behaving defensive, cold, and detached. Weird energy. That is why they are feeling like this. That they should act defensive. They should be cold and detached, and they feel like they should give you this treatment, that they don't give a fuck. This is the situation, but deep down they're missing you. Let's see what this person wants from you, Gemini. Three of Pentacles. I feel like this person wants a deeper connection with this person, wants reconciliation with you. But I will, clarify this person, the Three of Pentacles, because I feel like it could be a third party situation as well. Might be this person wants something else from you. Let's clarify. But from this card only, I feel like this person wants a reconciliation with you. This is what they want from you. This person wants you to put in the effort and put in the energy in this connection again. This is the situation. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles. The Empress, the High Priestess, the Chariot. Okay, this person wants you to be creative, to be beautiful, to look good, to feel good, to be luxurious. They want to have a future with you, and they want you to come out of this silence, this secretive energy. They want you to come out of the secretive energy, and they want you to tell them exactly what is going on. And after this secret is over, after the secret is done, they want you to move on successfully with your life. I feel like all they want from you right now is that they want you to vomit out all the secrets, vent out all the secrets that you are carrying right now in your soul and in your mind or in your heart. And and after that, after venting out everything, then this person feels like you should move on if you want to, or if you want to connect with them again. I feel like this person wants you to put in the effort and energy from your side. This is the situation here. There are two situations actually here. This is what I'm getting for you guys. Let's see what to expect from this person till the 10th of July. Let's see. Four of Swords, silence. I feel like this person is going to be really silent with you. There's nothing coming towards you from this particular person's side. Okay, this is the Four of Swords energy. This person is deeply heartbroken, and they are just trying to come out of this hurtful situation, this painful situation. That's why there's silence, because they are dealing with some kind of shit in their life right now, and this person is not okay at all. Gemini, this person is going through some kind of bad stuff, bad phase in their life, and that's why this person require healing, and that's why they are really very silent with you. This is what is going to be. This is what is going to happen with you guys till the 10th of July. Five of Pentacles, King of Cups, and the Hermit. I feel like this person is feeling like you left them in the cold. You left them without any reason. You didn't give any kind of closure or any kind of reason to them why you are leaving them. And after all of the shit, they are feeling some kind of love as well. They still carry lots of emotions for this connection. Might be they're not showing it, but yes, they are carrying it. Might be you're dealing with a Virgo, because the Hermit card is also there. And they want to realize, they want to analyze whether they truly love you, whether they truly want you in their life or not. That is what is happening. That is what is happening behind the scenes, and that's why this is That's why this person is silent. That's why this person needs break, and this person needs some kind of me time or space from this connection. So I have Gemini. This reading will give you some kind of insight regarding your love life. I hope this will deeply, deeply, deeply help you. I wish for that. So thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali Charo. God bless you. And really sorry for dogs barking behind the, what should I say, the scenes. I can't stop them, right? So thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. Oops.